I was on YouTube doing makeup and you guys listened to me. Why? Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So I know you're thinking,
Summer, this is so 4 years ago.
but hey, better late than never. Honestly, I really didn't start to get makeup until junior, senior year. I would say I was pretty decent at it. From the time I was on YouTube, which I think was 8th grade, until my sophomore year was so bad. Oh my gosh, it's so cringe. The very first thing that I would do is use concealer. I never understood the concept of concealer before foundation, foundation before concealer. What comes first, the chicken or the egg? I could never get it. Apparently, 15-year-old Summer knew what she was doing walking into freshman year, so. I use brushes sometimes, but generally I would just go with my fingers. So I have clean hands, we're just gonna go in. I have heard makeup artists say actually using your fingers for your under eyes isn't that bad because it's the warmth of it will warm up the concealer and help it to melt better into your skin. That's honestly how you learn how to do makeup is trial and error. All these 14-year-olds now in 2021 are skipping the awkward stage. And I just wanna be go put on some blue eyeshadow and chapstick and call it a day. Oh my God, this feels so dirty. This feels so wrong. I've always gone down and blended to my neck. So I'm gonna give myself credit for that one. So we're talking about high school, right? And you're probably wondering, Summer, what were you like in high school? I definitely wasn't your sporty athlete. I definitely didn't do cheerleading or dance or anything, even though I did try out my 10th grade year and I got about that far off the ground when I did toe touch. But I tried out with zero experience thinking I would make it. Nah. Really, my hobby was YouTube. When everybody else was playing basketball and football and baseball and going to football games, I was at home alone in my room talking to a camera. No, but really, I never stopped doing it, even though people thought it was weird. But then I started to get recognition for it. My high school did a page of me and some other people who did unique things during our senior year. And they did a page of me, and talked about my success from YouTube. I was an OG YouTuber, people didn't really do it back then. So I was definitely a bigger fish in a smaller pond. Now I'm definitely a small fish in a bigger pond. I, quit YouTube for a long time to really enjoy my college years. I really wish I would have given YouTube my all. That's why I'm so thankful for you guys that are still here and still watch me. I did give it up for so long, which I honestly regret. Next, let's go with blush. Yep, and just cake it on. I really don't think I'm that different than who I was in high school, besides the fact that I was a lot sassier. I definitely went through your typical mean teenager phase. I'm a lot more mature now. I'm a lot more level-headed. I never did my eyebrows, which is also one of the worst things. Even in my senior portrait, I did not fill in my eyebrows, which is Summer. But you have to remember contouring and doing your eyebrows really didn't become the thing until Kim K a few years ago. Oh my gosh, I think my Amazon package is coming. I would take a color like this that was just really, really shimmery, and I would put it all over my lid. I did not hold back. And then I would take a little bit of a darker brown, still shimmery, of course. Next was eyeliner. And here's the thing about eyeliner. I would use the traditional pencil, which I actually still use this. So I would just do a giant ring, circle around my eye. I literally never wore falsies until probably college. So I would use 3 or 4 different ones. One of the ones that I still use even from high school is the L'Oreal Voluminous. If you've never used this baby, what are you doing? But I never in high school used an eyelash curler, and I still don't. Maybe it's because they kind of look like a torture device. Why take your chances? I loved pink lipstick. We're not done yet, because if you know me, you know that I used to do my bangs like that in high school. I'm not kidding. We're gonna take my Chi I don't think I had a chi in high school. I think I used one of like the Walmart flat irons. Okay, so my bang situation. Geez, where do I even? So I would take it like this and I went up, but then I also went down. And I got my brush and I straightened that like slick down. Okay, so what I would literally do is I'd pull my hair back like this and then kind of position it how you want it. Yep, this is it. Oh my gosh, this makes me look like an infant. Fetus summer. This was so much fun, just like walking down memory lane. I am so cold. I am literally freezing, so I'm gonna wrap up like a burrito. It's weird to say like, oh, this is how I was in high school because you guys watched me. Still again, why? If you've been here since the OG days, please comment below and let me know. I love hearing you guys talk about how I was the first YouTuber that you've ever subscribed to. It literally melts my heart. Like, you guys have watched so much of my style change, my hair, the way I do my makeup, like my personality. You guys have just watched me kind of grow up, and it's really cool to think about. I just love you guys so much. If you're new here, definitely subscribe. I'd really love it if you join the family and subscribe. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.